Plot two histograms on the same graph and have their columns sum to 100. I have two sets of different sizes that I'd like to plot on the same histogram. However, since one set has 330,000 values and the other has about 16,000 values, their frequency histograms are hard to compare. I'd like to plot a histogram comparing the two sets such that the y-axis is the percent of occurrences in that bin. My code below gets close to this, except that rather than having the individual bin values sum to 1.0, the integral of the histogram sums to 1.0. This is because of the normed equals true parameter. How can I achieve my goal? I've already tried manually calculating the percent frequency and using PLT, but rather than overlaying the plots are compared side by side. I want to keep the effect of having the alpha equals 0.5.
It sounds like you don't want the normed/density quark in this case. You're already using weights. If you multiply your weights by 100 and leave out the normed equals true option, you should get exactly what you had in mind. For example, on the other hand, what you're currently doing, weights and normed, would result in, note the units on the y-axis.